Ditch the project chaos and say hello to Team Zen with Trello. First, sign up for Trello and create a board for your project. Think of it as your digital whiteboard. Now, create lists representing your workflow stages. Common ones are to do, doing, and done, but customize them to fit your team's process. Next, add cards to your lists. Each card represents a task. Click Add a card, give it a title, and press Enter. Then, click on the card to add a detailed description, assign it to a team member, and set a due date. To assign a team member, click on the Members option and select the appropriate person from your team. This keeps everyone accountable for their responsibilities. Setting due dates is crucial for staying on track. Click on the Dates option, choose a date and time, and even set reminders. As work progresses, drag and drop cards between lists to reflect their current status. This gives everyone a visual overview of the project's progress. Use the comments section within each card to communicate, ask questions, and provide updates. This keeps all relevant information in one place. Attach relevant files, documents, and images directly to the cards. This makes it easy for your team to access all the necessary resources. And that's it. With Trello, your team can conquer any project, stay aligned, and boost productivity. Say goodbye to confusion and hello to streamlined success.